Good morning, students. In term 2, in class 8, we'll start with lesson number 10, adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are the words that describe a noun. Now, to understand adjectives, we need to revise what are nouns. Nouns are the word which contains or which describes person, place, thing, or an idea. So if I say for a person, Sachin is a good player. Sachin is the best cricketer. Or Sachin is a clever batsman. Here, good person, best cricketer, clever batsman. These words, good, best, clever, they are describing the word Sachin. In the example, if I say Vijay is a boy, now Vijay is a boy, but what kind of boy? We do not come to know the quality of Vijay. But if I say Vijay is a good boy, then I come to know the quality, what kind of. Now here, good is your adjective. Another example, if I say Shreya has 5 chocolates. Now we are talking about chocolates, but how many? 5. It tells about the quantity. So the words which describe the noun or the pronoun, they are adjectives. We have 6 main kind of adjectives. We will start with adjectives of quality. When we say adjectives of quality, they are the words that describe the quality of noun or pronoun. Suppose here let's take an example. I have a nice teddy. Now when I say I have a nice teddy, I ask what kind of teddy I have. Which answers nice teddy. So can we have few more describing words? I have a brown teddy. I have an awesome teddy. I have a cute teddy. So the words that describes what kind of teddy I have is your quality. Second one is adjectives of quantity. The words that describe the quantity of noun or pronoun. I have enough money. Now they tell here enough is your quantity. It can be replaced by I have some money, I have very little amount of money, I have more money. So here please note, they define the quantity but not exact amount. Third one is the quantity adjectives of number. So the words that describe exact number of noun are adjectives of number. Here we have an example. Shivani has 4 apples. Here the quantity of apples is limited. It is an exact number. I may say I have an apple, that is 1 apple, 8 apples, 10 apples. So when we tell the exact number, they are the adjectives of number. Fourth one, adjectives of demonstrative. Words that points out a person, thing or animal are considered as demonstrative adjectives. Here I have taken 2 examples. The first one, this book is mine. Now this is demonstrative adjective. This is pointing towards the noun book. In your previous class, probably you read about demonstrative pronouns. Another example is of demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns too have these words such as this, that, those, but there is a difference. In the first example, this book is mine. Book is a noun and the demonstrative adjective this is describing the word book. In the second example here, this is my book. After this, we do not have a noun. Instead of that, we have a verb is. So the word this is not demonstrating a noun. So it is a pronoun. It is a pronoun, demonstrative pronoun here. Fifth one, interrogative. Interrogative adjectives are WH words which are used with nouns to ask questions. such as who, whose, whom, which, what. Now here again, the first one, which book is yours? Which is your interrogative word and book is your noun. So here interrogative word is qualifying or defining or giving more it is describing about the word book. Whereas in the second example, which interrogative word is followed by is. We do not have a noun there. So which is your book, the second example, is our interrogative pronoun. So here also they sound similar, but the usage and the context which they are used is different. Sixth one, possessive. Possessive adjectives, they show the ownership. Here the example, Joe left his bat at home. Now Joe left his bat. His is showing the possessive and bat is your noun. So here this is your possessive adjectives. In the next example down below, similar we have similar to this, the possessive adjectives, we have the possessive pronouns. The example here, the bat next to the window is his. Now the word his here is possessive pronoun. So quickly we'll revise all the six main. Let's have a recap of all the main six adjectives. Adjective of quality, baby has soft skin. What kind of skin baby has? Soft. Quantity, I have enough knowledge. How much? Not exact, but some. Number, Sanjay came first in the class. First, denoting the exact number. Demonstrative, this pen is mine. So, pointing towards particular pen. Interrogative, whose bicycle is this? Whose is interrogative adjective here. Possessive, my mother is here. So again, my is a possessive adjectives. Looking at all the examples, after the adjective word we have the word noun. So we can say usually adjective words are followed by nouns, and we can use more than one adjectives in a given sentence. Next time we will continue with the difference between or the correct usage of some adjectives given on page number 36.